Hello, I'm Crickets, and welcome back to I Have a Story. With all that has been going on, I mean, Jesus, so much abuse and pain and suffering, I lose track of speaking all of the facts that I know about. This is unbelievable what has taken place in my life and others' lives, in my communities, the state, all of it. So let me ask you, how can a family court judge cheat on his wife with a young babysitter with the children present? Not only still remain family court judge even after his wife leaves him, even after his wife files allegations and reports of the drug abuse, cocaine, sexual misconduct with young girls, but he also got that young babysitter pregnant, and they had a child. Birth records don't lie. Our community knows all this. Our community is scared shitless. Just like that woman said in that video that I just aired. I'll link it in here. These judges can take your whole life away in the snap of a finger. They can destroy your entire life. They've already done it to mine. Part of why I don't care what more can they do to me, because I don't want to live. I wake up every day just going, Lord, why did you not take me again? I can't live in the misery and the pain of it all. So even after he got the babysitter pregnant, he still remained family court judge. Now that girl's moved on and got kids with more men, at least another man. And this is what it does. Oh my God. What does it do to the children and all of it? Even the family court judge's children are in therapy because of all the abuse they've experienced from their father, who is our family court judge. And don't nobody care. More than 10 years of being reported, filing evidence, nothing matters when it comes to these people. Hell, evidence does not matter in court anymore. Evident. I've already spoken this many times throughout my channel over the past 2 years. Evident is all that matters. The only thing that is evident is titles and paychecks. That's it. That's all they look at. They don't care about the children dying, dead, drugged, abused. They're doing it to their own damn kids. And don't nobody care. This has been filed throughout our state, all the agencies, throughout our representatives, our mayor, our governor, all of it. They've all had filings about this, even by professional people in our community. And didn't nobody give a damn. And now look at what happens. More abuse, more pain, more suffering, more death. Is that what it really takes to get heard? Do people really have to die? Look at what happened in that case that's happening in Kentucky. Just like she said, our whole community knows this. Nobody will do a damn thing about it. I'm going to be dead soon anyway. Died just like my big sister did. Smoked myself to death because I can't handle the pain of it. And the only people who want to support me are the ones who actually have seen it, been involved. Anybody else doesn't want to believe it. No way, that can't possibly be true. This is happening all over our country. Everywhere. All over our country. Reports all over the place. So when I turn to Trump for help, Trump, we need an investigation done on these court systems. There's so much abuse taking place. Again, our children should be number one priority in our country, right? But it's not. It's all just a bunch of smoke and mirrors, ideology. Look, we have titles, we have paychecks. Something happens, right? Yeah, the something that happens is those people with titles and paychecks abuse their position. And I don't care if people who are in these jobs, working in these court systems, who watch this stuff happen, even if they're not a part of it, they watch it. It's no different when you watch it happen and you just sit there and keep being a part of the system. I couldn't do it. I could not be an officer and stand next to a judge knowing what the judge is doing and watching him damn people illegally, charging illegal sums of child support, taking children constitutional rights away. It's all happened in my case and in many others. I couldn't sit there as an officer, wear a badge that I swore to protect my community and support the corruption in that courthouse instead. Even if they're not a part of the corruption, they are, because they're supporting it, they're backing it, they're protecting it. Because in the end, all the people care about is protecting themselves in this selfish world we live in today. Part of why we need to unite as Americans again. Together we are strong. Why do we keep division? Because they are forcing division upon us so that we don't stand up together and unite and make our country great again. I need help. I've turned to everybody I can find and I can't get help. So is that what it's really going to take? Do we need more major incidences to hit headlines before anybody wants to help?